When it comes to making a lasting first impression, your home's curb appeal is key. In Meridian, where beautiful neighborhoods and scenic landscapes are the norm, having a home that stands out for its style and elegance is a significant asset. One of the most impactful ways to elevate your home's exterior is by upgrading your windows. Windows are more than functional features. They're integral to your home's design, adding character, light, and sophistication. Here's how investing in new Meridian windows can transform your home's curb appeal and enhance its overall value. A fresh, updated look. Gold, worn, or mismatched windows can make your home look dated, no matter how well maintained the rest of your exterior may be. Upgrading to modern windows instantly refreshes the look of your home, giving it a clean and contemporary appearance. Sleek designs. Modern window frames come in various styles and finishes that can complement any architectural design, from classic to modern. Custom options. You can choose windows with unique shapes, grids, or accents to create a personalized look that reflects your style. Enhanced architectural style. Windows are an essential design element that ties your home's exterior together. The right windows can highlight your home's architectural features and make a bold statement. Traditional homes. Double-hung windows with grid patterns or bay windows add timeless charm. Modern homes. Casement or picture windows with slim frames emphasize sleek, minimalist aesthetics. Rustic or craftsman homes. Wood or wood-look windows provide warmth and natural beauty. By selecting windows that align with your home's style, you create a cohesive and appealing exterior. Improved color coordination. Window frames in outdated or faded colors can clash with your home's exterior, diminishing its overall appearance. Upgrading to new windows gives you the opportunity to choose frame colors that harmonize with your home's color palette. Neutral tones. Black, white, and gray frames offer timeless elegance and versatility. Bold accents. Rich browns, greens, or even custom colors can add personality and depth to your home's exterior. Many modern windows also feature fade-resistant finishes, ensuring they retain their vibrant color for years. More natural light for a welcoming glow. Well-placed and upgraded windows can maximize the natural light entering your home, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere that enhances its curb appeal. Larger windows or unique designs like bay and bow windows allow more sunlight to flood your interiors, which can also be seen from the outside, giving your home a warm, welcoming glow. Enhanced energy efficiency and comfort. While curb appeal is about aesthetics, functionality plays a big role in maintaining your home's charm. Old windows can lead to drafts, condensation, or inconsistent indoor temperatures, which may detract from the overall appearance and comfort of your home. Energy-efficient glass. Modern windows with low E coatings, double or triple panes, and gas fills improve insulation and reduce energy bills. Durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames resist weathering, maintaining their look and integrity over time. By keeping your home energy efficient and comfortable, you ensure that its appeal isn't just skin deep. Increased home value. Curb appeal is directly tied to your home's value. Prospective buyers in Meridian often look for homes that are stylish, well-maintained, and energy efficient. Upgraded windows can boost resale value. Energy efficient and aesthetically pleasing windows are attractive to buyers. Set your home apart. Modern windows signal that your home has been well cared for and updated with quality materials. A low-maintenance exterior. Old windows often require regular painting or repair to maintain their appearance. Modern windows made from durable, weather-resistant materials are low maintenance, ensuring they look great with minimal effort. Vinyl and fiberglass. These materials resist fading, peeling, and warping, keeping your windows looking new for years. Easy-to-clean features. Tilt-in or removable sashes make cleaning a breeze, keeping your windows sparkling without hassle. Showcasing views of Meridian's beauty. Meridian is known for its stunning landscapes, from mountain vistas to lush green spaces. New windows, especially large or strategically placed ones, can frame these beautiful views like artwork, drawing attention to the natural beauty around your home. Upgrade your home with Meridian Windows. Whether your goal is to refresh your home's style, improve its functionality, or increase its market value, upgrading your windows is a smart move. With so many styles, colors, and features to choose from, new windows can transform your home's exterior into a show-stopping masterpiece. Partner with a trusted Meridian window professional to explore your options and ensure a flawless installation. Investing in high-quality windows not only boosts your home's curb appeal but also enhances your quality of life for years to come. Don't wait. Make your home the envy of the neighborhood with beautiful, energy-efficient windows today.